Have you ever heard the ancient philosophical saying that life is an illusion? They meant the illusion is that you have no power over your circumstances while on earth. In other words, you have the power to create. Think about this. Anything humans made was first in someone's mind. The ancients told you in symbolism that you have the power to create. Meet Osiris. You need to know what he functionally represents to understand the message being sent via symbols. Osiris is erroneously called the god of the underworld. That throws you off immediately. In the original Bible, the Old Testament translated underworld as Sheol. The New Testament called it Hades. You've heard these words mistranslated as hell. The English Bible throws us off again. But what is Osiris? Osiris represents the function of a soul while on earth. It was the original idea of the universal Christ. Ever wonder why priests and ministers wear a robe that make them look like they have no legs? The one leg means Osiris is genderless. Symbolically, he's male because he's an active masculine principle. The hands free are because the soul can create while in the underworld. You'll not see this written because it was forbidden. You have to know the esoteric symbolic language. You are a soul. You are powerful beyond belief.